Ooh, there ain't no other way. Baby, I was born this way. Just get into my poker face. My poker face. Judah, 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 Judah. What's up, y'all? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello. I am sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out a new foundation. Actually, I have it on right now. We're going to go ahead and get into it. It is the Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. Went ahead and picked this up today from Sephora. So we're going to do a little foundation review. Go back to the roots. The roots. The roots. The scalp of my channel. So, without further ado, if you guys are completely new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join me here on the YouTube land.
Cause I ain't shit. I'm working on it.
Please and thank you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, this is Heat Yourself. So, the last time I tried that foundation, it was too dark. So, maybe I probably picked the wrong shade. Maybe. So, I went back and exchanged it to try it out again. We not finna do it. I'm going to show y'all the finished results of that, and y'all gonna see why I wanted to go back and change the foundation to give it a really decent, thorough review. So I went back and I got the shade 520 Cool, Deep Cool. Again, I thought I was neutral, and I thought I was warm, but baby, I guess I got a cool tone because I got rematched. We're gonna give this shade a go. And let's just pray. Let us pray. Let us pray.
Girl, shut up.
That she fits. So let me go ahead and fast forward real quickly, put on my brows, prime my skin, jump right on into this foundation, okay? Alright, y'all, I'm back. Just a real quick simple eye that I threw together. Tutorial will be on my Instagram if you guys are interested on how I created this eyeshadow look. I did use the Nude Prism palette from Luna Beauty. She's a really cute, neutral, everyday palette. Try to stay away from the shimmers. I might add some on later, but we're going to keep it neutral. We're going to keep it soft glam as much as possible because this is Lady Gaga and it's going to be extra already as is. So, now let's get into the foundation. Again, I got the shade 520 Deep Cool. I'm going to go ahead and put some on my palette. And let's see what she gives. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Morphe. This is the E65 brush. And we're going to try this shade. Okay. This is a way better shade than what I picked the first time. So, this is looking good. Y'all, and this is literally just that one swatch pass through, blend it out. Alright, so this is one side with the brush. This looks pretty good. Gets very much medium to full coverage. It definitely covered all of this down here. I'm not upset with this second round color match. Matches my neck a lot more better. It is a little bit more cooler, but I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. It's very neutral. It's very neutral cool, but I ain't mad at it at all. Alright, so I'm going to do the other side with a sponge just to kind of see how much coverage that will give. This is giving witchcraft. Because how are you able to do this with a beauty sponge when you know a beauty sponge suck up some of this product? This is giving witchcraft. This is giving witchcraft because that literally covered. And just look how smooth my skin look in the camera. Well, of course y'all looking because y'all are in the camera. But look how smooth my skin is giving. Brush versus sponge. I ain't mad at it. I'm gonna take the rest of this on the brush. I'm just gonna simply just pack it on here because y'all know I need the coverage. Alright, so we're here. I ain't mad at it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. See how it works well with other products, because this is the only complexion product that Lady Gaga got in her collection. A lot of other stuff that she has is very like artistic, artistry base. This and the setting powder is all she have in her complexion category. I feel that there's probably going to be a good concealer coming out real soon, because this foundation is looking chef's kiss right now on the skin. I'm not going to do a wear test because, child, it's nighttime. I ain't going nowhere. It's literally 12:47 a.m. I ain't going nowhere. So I'm just putting this on just to see how it fits and give you guys a color reference if you guys are in my shade, and a look. Of course, I'm giving you guys a look. Let's go ahead and continue the rest of this video real quick. I'm gonna speed through the whole entire process. Alright, y'all, so here's the final look of the foundation. Final thoughts now that I have the right shade. I think that this is a good foundation. The coverage is there, y'all. So if y'all are interested in a foundation that has some really good coverage, and of course this has skincare built into it. It has the Biofermented 7 Complex plus Intellizin 7 Complex. So it's a skincare and a foundation, and it's clean and it's vegan. So a lot of things going on, but a lot of good things going on. And if you like something good, then girl, get you one. This is a clean, cutting-edge, long-wear foundation that delivers superior makeup performance without compromising your skin. Infused with 20 plus skincare ingredients. It's a buildable, medium coverage, luminous second skin finish, ultra fluid, lightweight. Girl Gaga, you got the whole Sephora.com on the back of this packaging about this foundation, but it's really good. I think this is a really good foundation. It definitely gives skin-like finish. It is very much buildable. I don't think it's medium. I think it's definitely pushing full. Even with the sponge, it gave everything and then some. What I feel about this foundation, I think this might be an Allure Beauty winner for 2023. As like one of the best new foundations that came out. Because you know Light Reflecting had a hold on all of us. I think this might push Light Reflecting out the way and become that girl. Don't quote me, but if it happens, I am going to post the quote. Alright y'all, so I'm going to get off of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it took so long for me to do a foundation review. It's been so long since I've done one, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little look. Again, the eyeshadow look. Dang, Dion! Jesus! Mute me, girl. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Girl, excuse the hair. I'm in a transitional state. You know, I'm thinking about growing my hair back out because, you know, it's getting time for the winter. I don't even know why I cut it, but girl. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little makeup session, swatches, all that good stuff with the Haus Lab foundation. But nevertheless, I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here. I am going to see you guys in the next video. I hope so. I hope so. Alright, so let me go ahead and hop off. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Bye.
I like that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,